Thanks for tuning in. My name is Ellen. As a life coach and medium, I can help you to break free from a broken relationship. This video will explain what you can expect from the seance Cutting Ties with Past Lovers and for whom it is intended. I will explain the importance of letting go, not only for yourself but as well for the other person. The seance is in two parts. Part 1 is a video with instructions. We'll cover what you need to prepare for the seance. There are a few items you need to gather for this ritual. I'll explain what you can expect from this seance, and I will explain about karma and etheric threads and how we create them with other people. After watching part 1, you can start with the second video, the seance itself. It's about 20 minutes, and I will guide you step by step what you need to do. This seance is meant to free yourself from karma and releases you and the other person involved. It will break etheric connections between two people who have a spiritual relationship. Spiritual and twin flame relationships are very intense. It can be very beautiful, but as well it can be a manipulative relationship in which karma and old pain is finally worked through. The end of a relationship can have a significant impact on your life. Your life is turned upside down. You don't want to think about it, but you just can't stop your thoughts. It keeps on going round and round in your mind. The person just keeps haunting you in your thoughts. The thoughts you probably have right now are, why did this happen? Why did he or she did that to me? Why couldn't it just work out? Why do I keep thinking about it? And why does it hurt so much? I wish I could let it go. I think you do recognize these hamster wheels, and you're probably going through this right now. This seance is specially meant if you have a broken relationship and if you feel hurt by another person. This is usually your loved one, but it could also be your best friend or a family member. When you have a special karma relationship with that person, like twin flames, you know you are soulmates when you feel like you sometimes know what the other person feels and thinks. Yes, that is absolutely possible, because you're still on the same frequency and you are tuned into their vibrations, and therefore you can sometimes feel when the other person is thinking of you. At the same time, the other person can feel your attachment as well. This is exactly why it's hard to stop thinking about it, and why cutting these energetic ties is very important for you and for the other person. Do you feel a lack of energy? Exactly. As long as you stay connected through these etheric threads, you cannot let go and go on with your life, and therefore can't resolve your grief. Now you know why it's so important to break those spiritual connections. What can you expect from this seance? Well, this ritual has been done for ages and is now even recommended by psychologists and therapists. Now you have the opportunity to do it yourself at home. It will help you to get your energy back and process your grief in a much faster way and give your sad emotion a resting place. After the seance, most people feel straight away a calm feeling, and they feel liberated, as if your soul is much lighter and burdens are resolved. Part 1 is about 7 minutes, and it explains what you should prepare and the items we will use during the seance. Most likely you have everything already lying around in your house. Part 2 is the seance itself, and it takes about 20 minutes. But I do recommend you take an hour in total to rest after the seance to have the most beneficial effect possible. It's really very simple. All you have to do is just sit quietly and listen to my voice. I will guide you step by step through the entire program. All instructions are on the screen as well. In this seance, you will learn what etheric threads and karmic connections are, how to free yourself from these ties, and how to get your energy back. This is the effect it will have on you. It will have an effect on your entire being. Karma contracts will be cancelled. You will feel your energy returning to you. You can direct your emotions and it will relieve your grief. You'll have a peaceful and liberated feeling, as if your soul is lighter. You can finally move on with your life. To be honest, it's not for everyone. But if you say, yes, I want to feel good again, and I want to be myself again, I want to get on with my life, then this is for you. If you want more information or you want to sign up for the seance, and you aren't on my website yet, then go to vortexlive.wordpress.com. You can type in the URL, or below this video you can press on the link. On my website, you can reach me and ask for more information or sign up for the seance. Just fill out the form with your name and email. If you have a question, you can write it down in the comment box. I will take contact with you as soon as possible. If you want to receive the seance, just tick the yes box and you'll receive a confirmation email. The payment can be done via bank transfer or PayPal. After payment, you'll receive an access code for a seance. Whenever you want, you can start the program. Thanks for watching. And for now, I wish you a fantastic day. See you soon. Namaste.